Hey there, nature lovers. Ever strolled through a park and crunched those little brown nuts underfoot? You know, the one squirrels seem to go absolutely bonkers for? Acorns. Now, you might be thinking, acorns? Seriously? What's the big deal? Well, get ready to have your mind blown, because these seemingly insignificant little nuts have played a huge role in human history. From ancient times to the modern day, acorns have been a source of food, medicine, and even inspiration. So, buckle up, because today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of acorns and uncovering why humans have been obsessed with them for millennia. Let's rewind the clock a bit. Way back when, long before supermarkets and grocery stores, our ancestors relied heavily on the bounty of nature. And acorns? They were a major player in the survival game. Food source, rich in carbohydrates and protein, acorns were a staple food for many ancient cultures. But here's the catch: raw acorns are packed with tannins, a bitter compound that can even be toxic in large amounts. The leaching process, so, our ancestors had to get creative. They developed ingenious methods to leach out those tannins. Think soaking, grinding, and even burying acorns in the ground to allow rainwater to do the work. Acorns as flour. Once the tannins were gone, acorns could be ground into flour, used to make bread, cakes, and even porridge. Talk about resourceful. Acorns weren't just a food source, they also held a place in traditional medicine. Anti-inflammatory properties. Some cultures believed that acorn extracts could help soothe inflammation and ease digestive issues. Skincare. Acorn extracts were also used topically to treat skin conditions like eczema. Fast forward to today, and acorns are still finding their place in our world. Wildlife food. Of course, squirrels, birds, and deer continue to feast on acorns, playing a vital role in the ecosystem. Sustainable products. Acorns are being explored for their potential in creating sustainable products. Acorn flour is making a comeback in some bakeries, offering a unique and nutty flavor. Dye source. Believe it or not, acorns can even be used to create natural dyes, ranging from browns and yellows to even greens. Acorns have also deeply woven themselves into human culture. Symbolism. In many cultures, acorns symbolize potential, growth, and longevity, often associated with the oak tree itself. Art and crafts. From acorn jewelry to decorative arrangements, acorns continue to inspire creativity. While acorns offer numerous benefits, it's important to acknowledge their impact on the environment. Oak tree health. Overgrazing by animals can sometimes deplete acorn resources, impacting the health of oak trees. Sustainable harvesting. It's crucial to harvest acorns responsibly, ensuring the long-term health of oak tree populations. So, there you have it. Acorns, those humble little nuts, have a rich and fascinating history, from ancient sustenance to modern-day inspiration. Next time you stumble upon an acorn, take a moment to appreciate its significance. And who knows? Maybe you'll even be inspired to try your hand at making some acorn flour. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.